My video will help you to remove the ransomware called Keylock. My video is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware. I am not promoting the ransomware. I will show you only the negative impact of the ransomware on the files. I cannot help you recover your files, unfortunately. Before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your files. But because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this Keylock ransomware may be very easily injected. You can see that it is called like that because it encrypts files and also appends this Keylock extension to the file names. Removing this extension manually still does not fix the issue. The files are still damaged and encrypted. You can also see that this ransomware changes the desktop background. The ransomware reveals this ransom note, indicating that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. But I urge you not to listen to this ransom note and not to pay the ransom. Don't waste your money. There is no guarantee that you will get your data restored if you pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove the ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus. I recommend you to use Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. You may get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install it, and then start researching the computer. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available. And after you click on Start Scan button, the program will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection of this ransomware and other threats. After the anti-malware database is successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. Pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. This feature helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data, but it does not decrypt the files. And there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt the files. Nevertheless, Combo Cleaner is very effective when it comes to detecting this particular ransomware and deleting it. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats. You will be able to know their locations. Consider premium license, and you can request trial to fully evaluate its features. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to recover your data.